my God.
sometimes. Yeah, they can say anything.
Yeah.
But maybe with the light, when you're standing there, and maybe with your partial dark goggles or something.
I wish people think the same way.
So which part of Mumbai do you live?
Mumbai Central. I was born and brought up in South Mumbai.
Okay, South Mumbai.
Yeah, South Mumbai. I've always been that part of the world.
Okay.
And then I moved to the UK in 2015
Okay.
as a student with a lot of dreams of being an international student, and working and doing all sorts of things. But life has its own way, to be honest.
So now you're back in Mumbai.
No, I'm permanently settled in London now.
Oh, you're settled.
Yeah, I have got my own immigration law firm. I run my boutique immigration law firm, help companies in getting the sponsorship license so that they can hire international talents like you have in your company.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that's great. That's great, Amil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you some questions about WBF2024 and feel free to answer the way you want. Okay. Are we all okay? Hello, Mr. Amir, and welcome to WBF2024 London. How are you?
Thank you so much. I'm doing fantastic, and it's all a very lovely arrangement, I would say.
Thank you very much. You're from Mumbai and you've been practicing law in London, I believe, for how many years now? 7 years?
No, I have been in this industry for like 2-3 years now.
Okay.
But before coming in this industry and starting my own law firm, I used to work in other companies and I used to do work as a freelancer.
Okay.
And I've been myself into various different immigration categories myself. So I think I'm a practical example of how UK immigration is.
Okay, so you focus, your boutique firm focuses on UK immigration.
Corporate immigration, yeah, just for United Kingdom.
Okay, so what do you have to say about the sessions that we planned today here? And did you enjoy any of the sessions earlier? Was it beneficial? Made contacts?
I did actually. When we speak about Western country mostly, like I saw one Elizabeth was talking about USA and the cryptocurrencies. I think it's kind of a content where you don't get it in different kind of events.
Yeah.
I have a habit of attending many different events, but it just has got its own template.
Thank you very much. We work very hard for it.
Yeah, I think it shows the kind of the efforts your team makes and the kind of different genres you play into one specific event.
Thank you very much, because we believe in cross-fertilization of ideas. And before you, we've interacted with so many people, and they said, though this is not our practice, but listening to an expert, put out a case study and put out some information about something, from the legal experience that they have is useful to them, which they didn't know till that point, and that can help them to maybe expand, maybe evolve, maybe do something new. And other thing that's, as you see, technology is changing, So we've dovetailed technology also in our talk. So I'm glad that you're liking the sessions. Do you make any friends?
I didn't yet. I think I have got the panel with myself, so I was just talking to them on WhatsApp and the kind of discussion we are going to have. And you said one thing, it is very important regardless of whatever industry we're working in right now.
Yeah.
Without tech, I think we can't grow and can't evolve.
Yes.
And I think the inclusion of tech is really very important in today's world or at any part of the world you're working in. So that's what I believe.
So what are the key takeaways, though it is today, it's the first day, but key takeaways from WBF 2024, if you have any?
Today specifically, if I talk about, obviously we are talking about arbitration, we are talking about tax, we are talking about property law, specifically in the UK, me being in the UK for about 8-9 years, but there are certain things which I was myself not aware of. So I think being in this land itself and knowing about certain things which you're not aware about, I think that is the biggest takeaway, because we always be ungrateful about the fact that the kind of place we live in. So because we take for granted that we don't know much about certain industry and certain aspects of
very well said.
So it is very important to come to events like this and to understand that where do we stand right now. Because we can't know everything about specific country or specific industry.
Excellent. Such a pleasure to have this conversation with you, and we look forward to your panel discussion.
Thank you so much.
And all the very best for the next 2 days.
Don't miss my solo presentation.
I will not.